Hi students, today we will talk about the nitrogen cycle. And nitrogen, it is needed in the body for what? For the proteins. It is present in the nucleic acids, and it is present in the form of enzymes. So this is what the significance, right? As you know, proteins, they are made up of amino acids, and all these compounds which are present in the body, the biomolecules, they consist of the nitrogen. Nitrogen, it is present in the elemental form, which cannot be used directly in the body, and that is why it is needed to be fixed. So nitrogen fixation is what? Where the nitrogen, it is converted into usable forms. This is the reason nitrogen, it is needed to be fixed, because the nitrogen as such, which is present in an environment, it is not usable. So if you want to define the nitrogen fixation, the conversion of elemental nitrogen in the usable absorbable forms, that is called as nitrogen fixation. Now, in the atmosphere, lightning and industrial combustions, forest fires, they are the sources of nitrogen oxides like NO, NO2, N2O. So the nitrogen oxides, they come over the earth as the acid rain, and in that form also the nitrates, they are absorbed in the soil and used by the plants for making up their proteins. So this is the first point which you can take for the nitrogen cycle, where the formation of nitrogen oxides you have seen, or the sources like automobile exhausts, ultraviolet radiations, lightning, power generating stations, they are the sources of atmospheric nitrogen oxides, and they comes as the acid rain over the earth. Now the dead organic matter which is being produced by the plants and animals, on it the bacteria act and the ammonia formation takes place. How? Let us see. Protein, and it is converted into amino acid, then organic acid, and ammonia. So when the bacteria act on the dead organic matter which is being produced by the plants and animals, the ammonia formation takes place, and this process is known as ammonification. And putrefying bacteria, they are responsible for the ammonification, right? And the another process which you can see, that is nitrification. What the nitrification is, let us discuss for that. Nitrification, where the ammonia, it is converted into nitrite, and then the nitrite, they convert it into nitrate. This is what? Nitrite. This is what? Nitrate. So the conversion of ammonia into nitrate. These are the inorganic compounds which are usable. The conversion of ammonia into nitrate, that is nitrification. And here, for both the processes, the bacteria they are responsible. For the conversion of ammonia into nitrite, you can write for the nitrosococcus, nitrosomonas, and for the conversion of nitrite into nitrate, you can write for Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis. So, till now we have seen two processes. One is ammonification and second is nitrification. We have to discuss one more process here, that is denitrification. What the denitrification is, you know, in the scarcity of oxygen under anaerobic condition, under anaerobic condition, some microorganisms use nitrate as the source of oxygen, and in this process the nitrates they are reduced to gaseous compounds of nitrogen. In simple language you can say that the conversion of nitrate into the simple nitrogenous compounds and nitrogen, that is called as denitrification. And you can write this like NO3, NO2, NO, N2, and N2. This is denitrification where the nitrate conversion it takes place into the simple nitrogenous compound as well as nitrogen. So we have seen the ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. And these three processes, they are the key points for nitrogen cycle. अभी तक हमने देखा कि नाइट्रोजन एज सच यूज नहीं हो सकती एंड इसीलिए उसको कन्वर्टेड होना पड़ता है यूजेबल फॉर्म्स में एंड वो यूजेबल फॉर्म्स कौन सी हैं इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स लाइक nitrates and nitrites. And for that, the nitrogen fixing bacteria they are helpful. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, they are the prokaryotes which are able to convert the nitrogen, right? And so many bacteria you can name as Azotobacter, Beijerinkia, that is free living aerobic bacteria, Desulfovibrio, that is chemosynthetic bacteria, Chlorobium, Pseudomonas, they are photoautotrophic bacteria, Nostoc, Anabina, they are cyanobacteria, and Clostridium, they are the anaerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria. So many type of bacteria you will be able to see. Some are aerobic, some are anaerobic, cyanobacteria, chemosynthetic bacteria, photoautotrophic bacteria, and the fixation which takes place through these bacteria, it is called as biological nitrogen fixation. Ammonification we have talked about, children, where the conversion of proteins into ammonia takes place. The bacteria, they act on the matter which is being produced from the plants and animals, and ammonia formation takes place. That is ammonification. Nitrification we have also talked about, where the conversion of ammonia first into nitrite and then into nitrate. और हमने specifically bacterias भी देखे. For the conversion of ammonia into nitrite, the different bacterias are there, and for the conversion of nitrite into nitrate, the different bacterias are there. You can name here for the nitrosococcus and nitrosomonas, and you can name here the nitrobacter and nitrocystis. And now the denitrification, where the conversion of nitrates into the simple nitrogen compounds and nitrogen, it takes place. And for that, you can name the bacteria as well. Pseudomonas, denitrificans, Thiobacillus denitrificans, and Micrococcus. These are the bacteria you can take as the example for the bacteria which carry out the denitrification. Micrococcus denitrificans. One more point which I would like to clear here, that we have seen the three processes: ammonification, nitrification, denitrification, along with the different types of bacteria. कुछ symbiotic bacterias भी होते हैं जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन करते हैं, एंड उसमें आप राइजोबियम का एग्जाम्पल देंगे, राइट? राइजोबियम, it is in association with leguminous plants. You can give the example of Frankia here. You can give the example of Anabina, azole, and it is in association with a fern that is called as azolla. And you can give the example of Cycas, a tree it is, a gymnosperm, who is having the symbiotic association in its roots. The specifically roots, they are called as coralloid roots. And here the organisms which show symbiosis, they are Anabina and Nostoc. They are the cyanobacterias, right? So इस तरह से नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन it होती है, and it takes place through the prokaryotes. कुछ बुक्स में एक टर्म इंडस्ट्रियल फिक्सेशन और दिया गया है. Till now we have seen the biological fixation when it takes place through the prokaryotes. कुछ books में industrial fixation, and it is the fixation which is done at the level कि fertilizers बने या other nitrogenous compounds artificially बने like urea etc. So अगर हम देखें नाइट्रोजन साइकिल को, तो we have discussed all the points here, right? And all the types of bacteria which are given here, like for the ammonification, ammonifying bacteria, for the nitrification, nitrifying bacteria, and you can see here the processes. Ammonia, it is converted into nitrites first, then nitrates, right? This is what the nitrification. When the dead organic matter it is produced, and on that the bacteria acts and the ammonia formation takes place, ammonification, and the denitrification where the nitrogen it is again formed. And the sources they are also given for the nitrogen, like fossil fuels, lightning, thundering, eruptions, because they provide enough energy for the formation of nitrogen oxides, right? And you can see here in this diagram the symbiotic association in the root nodules. So all these points which are given in this cycle we have discussed, and you have to be very much clear with the three processes: ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. You have to be very clear with the types of bacteria, free living bacteria, symbiotic bacteria, all in all responsible for the conversion of the nitrogen into the usable nitrogenous compounds like nitrates, nitrites. So in the next video, we will discuss for the mechanism of nitrogen fixation like the nodule formation and nitrogen assimilation. And till then, have a very good bye.